the light is gonna be off. The light is gonna be off. Just fast forward, you guys. And I'm gonna be recording off my phone too, so y'all could get a better angle. Not a better angle, a different angle. So just fast forward to this part where he pulls up. Still make sure you watch it too. I'm just trying to make it more. Make sure you still watch it. I hope y'all can see it. I'm trying to scoot the chair over. If y'all can't see, then I will, but I'm pretty sure y'all can't see. But if you can't see, oh well, that's on you. Ooh. Are you able to see out the door? Oh yeah, because that street light. Oh, Brandon. As soon as he pull up, you gotta be like, nah, nah. Then you gotta rush and you gotta turn it off. You gotta give it to me. You gotta say, nah, nah. And then you gotta run in your room, get in the bed, okay? And remember, take your glasses off. You gotta take your glasses off. Now so I'll give it to me. And have your face turned toward the wall so you can't see. Alright. take your place.
Get from in front of them. Go on in there now. Ready? Come get your game that you ready to.
Just watch from there. Brandon, get your game. Hurry up.
Calendar. Right here.
That's right.
You got some shit, huh? Okay. Come out the pound cake. You ate the pound cake? I didn't eat the one that I took to work.
Y'all still on? Y'all still on? Alright, good. Remember what my sister said, just fast forward it.
Are you watching?
Yeah.
You looking?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Bro, for real, can't see.
Yeah.
I can't even see that, Brandon. And now it's darker. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can still see that.
How about this? How about this? Just in case, get in your bed. Take your glasses off. Alright, get in the bed. Alright. Turn your head. Don't actually fall asleep, because I know how you is. Don't fall asleep, bruh. Just keep your eyes open. Don't. We're on Nintendo. Be on it, but turn it off
Okay.
as fast as you can.
What are you doing?
I'm turning it down. Keep it right here. But you could turn it where you can look at it too. Look at that. Don't fall asleep. And the bacon.
Y'all still on? Alright, let me know in the comments below. could hear. Now, Corey.
Hey, Ben.
So,
How's
that's good. I mean,
He's here. He's here.
okay, let's go to the beach. Got 19 more days to go. 4 days. What is it? 4. I'm not sure. That's in my head. I'm not sure. How was work?
it's alright.
I didn't know you were leaving me today.
Huh?
I didn't know you were leaving me today. Brady, I think Brady too. I think Brady too.
Your voice do that to me, man. You know that? Oh, I'm getting tired right now.
I don't know if it's funny. I don't know if
I am
it's your
funny.
phone. Your face is funny.
Yours is too, Mike. Come on.
Your mama.
You said what?
Your mama.
What?
What kind of cookies those?
The cookie? Wow.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat some Oreos and milk too. That's nice. What y'all do for dinner?
I was fast.
Do you call that skinny or fat?
I'm eating stuff now.
Keep your eyes open until he come in here. Okay? Okay. But when he come here, close him.
Who got a light on? Me. Oh. You gotta work tomorrow. Huh?
He said no.
What you walk last Saturday? Huh? You walk last Saturday?
Said what you walked last Saturday.
I think I ain't sure.
Cause one Saturday off, next Saturday
Take
too.
that thing off.
Why?
Why? Because I don't want to cut it off.
I hate you. My brakes is good. Look at you. Little new girl, but they still call him. Yeah, you damn white girl. I don't know any other ones. Huh?
Her name is Alexis. I just talked to her.
You gotta be 13 in 2 more months.
La la la. this boy. Look at this stuff, man. I should wake him up.
I told you. I told you.
Oh. Yeah. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, come get the stuff, man. Thank you, please.
Ooh.
Well, I thought you were really asleep. I was about to get mad. I said, I know this Blaine sleeping in here. I told him, don't leave this. You can leave that there. That's fine.
Big,
What you talking about?
big, we planned this.
Huh?
We planned this. It's a prank. We're recording. Move.
Yo, what?
And we